welcome back to an all new episode of Conflicts. I'm super pumped up to announce that we have ourselves a copy of the NFL Blitz Legends by Arcade1UP. That's right, this year's one of the very first ones on the market, in which today we'll be unboxing, trying out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. Now, we reviewed a variety of different Arcade1UP cabinets, so this one here should be quite interesting to see, and seeing exactly what it's all about should be quite exciting. Now, if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get our game on. Now, so this here's our packaging, kind of showcases you here on the front what's happening. So you got NFL Blitz Legends featuring live online, so you can go ahead and play with your friends online. That's actually really cool. Now it does have a light up marquee in the official version, of course, and a multi-position joystick and featuring 4 players. Now it also has a custom riser, so that's kind of nice, kind of completes the whole look of it, as well as a 17-inch screen. So let's go ahead and open this thing up next and see what's inside. You can see everything is nicely compact with a variety of different boxes and padding. Alright, so in terms of the contents straight out of the box, you get 5 individual boxes here, as well as your side panels. And then you do have a user manual, go ahead and instructing you how to go ahead and build it. As well as your accessory package here. So this will contain all your nuts and bolts and your screws, as well as your joysticks. And yeah, let's go ahead and take everything outside next and see exactly what we're working with. Alright, so this here's everything outside of the boxes, and looks really promising. So you got this lovely looking cover art over there. You have some signatures. You have your plates here for essentially the coin slots. You have your light up marquee, which says NFL Blitz. And you have this lovely looking essentially console there with the different variety of controllers, and everything looks nicely spaced out. So yeah, super pumped up to go ahead and try this thing out. So with that said, let's go ahead and cue up that montage and build ourselves an NFL Blitz arcade cabinet. So our NFL Blitz Arcade1UP cabinet is finally done, and I have to say it looks really cool. Overall, the build process was not complicated at all. The only stuff that is always an issue is actually kind of sandwiching the 2 pieces together, but that's with any Arcade1UP cabinet. Just does take some finesse. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at this thing. Alright, so we're going to wear around this. First thing I want to show you is this graphic art here on the side. So it actually looks really cool. You got your NFL players here, and then it says NFL here on the bottom. You do have some signatures, and yeah, I mean, definitely has a really sporty feel. Now you do have your light up marquee here saying NFL Blitz. That looks cool. Same on this side here, so you have a little bit different clip art there, and then of course you have different signatures of the players. On the top here you have a variety of different warnings and labels. And then this thing is actually really cool. I like this a lot. So over here you have your 4-player control. So it says jump, pass, turbo, tackle, change player, and then start, and each character or each player has its own. Over here it kind of shows you different things in terms of like passing, you know, dive, tackle, turbo run, and just a few different codes or tricks to go ahead and use it. And then same over here on the actual screen it says passing to a receiver, special modes, on fire mode, etc. And then of course you do have your fake coin slot doors. That's always cool to see. Can't wait till these become functional one day. And then it does say NFL Blitz, and then of course you do have the blue stripping kind of going throughout it. Now in terms of turning it on, let's go ahead and simply switch this button right here, and you'll have the light up marquee booting up. And this here is real time, again prototype, so I'm not sure how the final version will be. This one here only has 2 games, NFL Blitz and then NFL Blitz 2000. Alright, so your standard volume control. That's different. So you have your ball animation there. Alright, so far so good. Cool, so this here is our main menu. Check it out. All right, so this here is going to be our main hub. So we actually have a few different things going on here. So we have NFL Blitz and NFL Blitz 2000, essentially better graphics. And then you have your settings mode here, so you can essentially change different things. So in this case here, you have computer assistance, game timer, field visibility, head size, you can do large, etc. If we go here under NFL Blitz 2000, you can just change the head size. So overall looks pretty promising. Let's go ahead and try out NFL Blitz. All right, so this here is just essentially kind of tells you all the different buttons in terms of what they can do. And yeah, it seems pretty promising. So there's the iconic Blitz logo and the intro. Sweet. Oh, cool. There we are. And
are you ready for NFL Blitz?
Yes, we are. All right, so we're going to do Chicago from my hometown.
Today's matchup, the Chicago Bears versus the Carolina Panthers.
All right, let's do this.
And this game is underway.
Oh, 30-yard return. All right, so over here you can go and pick your different play. So I could like Hail Mary. I can swap it out and flip it around too. And let's try this. Run! Oh, first down. All right, so you can flip these back and forth based on your own preference, of course. And then you can toggle between the different pages and select one. Hike. Oh, incomplete. This definitely brings back a lot of memories, especially as a childhood goes. I remember playing this game back on N64, and wow, so much fun. Oh, incomplete again. Man, these guys are hard. Oh, you got it. Yes. Touchdown. And I could get an extra point, or I could try going for the additional 2. Let's do it. Oh, interception. Wait, what? Haha, no good. All right, now we're on the D. Woo! What I love is that you can like just like run around in between the plays and like tackle people. Oh, take that. Yes! Quarterback sack. Got him. Oh, they're punting it. Come on. Oh! Incomplete. End of first quarter. Oh man, talk about nostalgia. That is actually an epic game. Definitely a lot of fun. I love the fast-packed action. I love the beat 'em up style as you're kind of doing it about. And yeah, overall, really, really cool. Let's go ahead and try out NFL Blitz 2000 next. All right, so we're gonna try NFL Blitz 2000 Gold Edition. See what this is all about.
NFL Blitz 2000.
Chicago Bears, let's do it. You can customize the game too, that's cool.
The Chicago Bears take on the Minnesota Vikings.
All right.
And we are underway.
Oh man, I got sacked pretty bad.
He goes over.
Let's try that. Wait. Oh, was so close.
Second down.
Oh man, they got in pretty fast.
Ball at the 35.
That was hard.
A gutsy call.
Ah, that was hard. All right, let's try two-man blitz. Interception, yes. Woo. Man, these guys are hard.
Hammer him. Ball at midfield.
Oh, come on, I threw it already.
Third down.
All right, fourth down.
What are they thinking?
Oh, turnover, and his helmet came off.
First down.
Oh, no, 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 no. No. Oh, man. How'd that even happen?
With a vicious hit. First down.
Go. Man, he does not throw it fast enough.
First quarter.
Oh, that went by a lot quicker than I was expecting. So I have to say, this one's actually a little bit more fun, a little more intense than the traditional Blitz, but really, really cool. So kind of gives you an idea what that's about. Overall, it's actually a lot of fun, a lot of nostalgic value to this thing. I personally grew up playing this game, so seeing this as an Arcade1UP is really nice. I love the fact that it's almost got a really like sporty feel to it. Even the actual controls are kind of put on an angle, so it's a little bit more easier to play. Now, this here is actually a really fast-paced game, and if you're looking for something that's both sporty as well as fun, this here is a great way to go. And hands down, is a great tribute to the NFL Blitz game. Now with that said, if you guys had any questions at all, comment down below. Otherwise, take care now. Bye-bye.